ngike live engage nalaba i-chaotic party so ngabuza umbuzo ngathi mina njengoba ni busy nidayisa ngeSouth Africa kuma foreigners nama illegal foreigners in the name of nithi nina i-march and march i-exciter i-violence against ama fellow black people. Ngibuza mina ke ukuthi ngokwama stats bangakanani abantu abamnyama abalele ezibhedlela abalaliswe i-march and march lama foreigners enithi ahlukunyezwa i-march and march mangakanani asemoshwali afile ekuthiwa abulawe i-march and march so far seloku nje i-march and march yaqala mangakanani ama foreigners alele ezibhedlela mangakanani alele emoshwali ekuthiwa alimele alinyazwe ukuhlukunyezwa nokushawa nokubulawa la eSouth Africa eshawa i-march and march zike zame emthumeni ke kuma chaotic party lawo kwi chaotic party le ezesidakwa ezikamafinyila zihlulekile ukuphendula lo mbuzo loyo ukhona kodwa obe brave enough wakwazi ukuphendula umbuzo honestly washo nje ukuthi cha so far lento esisuke sisuke sisusela nje engqondweni akhona yedwa umuntu oseke wavela kwathiwa usesibhedlela ulwela impilo yakhe ngenxa ye-march and march akhona yedwa umuntu ekuthiwa usedutshuliwe ngenxa ye-march and march ngase ngibuza omunye ke umbuzo wesibili ngathi ake nisilethele nje ama-clip noma nje amabili kuphela eyitolo zama foreigners eseyishiswe nje i-march and march ningalethe eziningi ngoba kuzoba inkinga ngeke nikwazi ukuyithola eziningi ngathi nje lethane ezimbili izitolo ngoba phela ngithi march and march nithi nina it's a KZN thing okushuthi ke asiqale KZN ke ngoba phela umonakalo kumele uqale eKZN ngoba nithi march and march is a KZ thing into yamaZulu ake siqale sibheke KZN nisikhombise nje ama clip ama video noma awu2 la kusha khona noma kushiswa khona izitolo zama foreigners since nje i-march and march iqalile ngo-2026 ziphinde zama futhi emthumeni kuyinhlangano yesidakwa inhlangano ye-criminal inhlangano ye-chaos bahluleka ukuphendula lo mbuzo. Now this brings us to this point ukuthi kahle kahle EFF imeleni ilwelani EFF yindaba EFF ibe against ama South African kanti all along thina besazi ukuthi EFF is a South African political party besazi thina ukuthi EFF is for South African land is for South African soil besazi thina ukuthi EFF ilwela bring back the land without compensation which land the South African land that was grabbed by the colonizers besazi thina ukuthi EFF iyona elwela ama cleaner nama security njengoba ubona nje ukuthi igqoka kanjani eParliament besazi ukuthi iEFF iyona emele ama South African since kuyi South African political party besingazi thina ukuthi EFF all along ibe is pretender iEFF all along was here to cause chaos zonke izinto iEFF ebesithi zenza genuine for abantu abamnyama in particular base South Africa besingazi ukuthi they are not genuine but EFF ipusha agenda which is a European agenda. We didn't know all this. We didn't know all this. Now the question is my EFF members, my chaotic members, to call this a president. To call this your leader, this one. Go and listen to his recent speeches. Ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani mayekhuluma ngani. My EFF members, the South African EFF members. Nina ma South African EFF members, hambani niyolalela iipichi zakhe za 2026 ukuthi uMalema uthini ngani. Siyekenike thina ngoba siyona iEFF. Ake nimlalela ukuthi uthini ngani. Ma South African EFF members, lo baba lo. Bese niyangibuza, bese niyangitshela ukuthi you call this your leader, guys. Are you well? Are you well here? Are you well? Calling your enemy your leader. You say, this is your enemy, but you call him your leader. You call him CIC. You call him our next president. This one is your next president. Lo khuluma kanje. The flip-flopper of notes. The betrayer, the sellout. An MI6 member. The drug cartel. The convicted criminal. Is this your leader? Are you calling that your leader? Yo, I'm questioning your medulla, guys. I'm questioning the capacity of your medulla. I am questioning the functioning of your medulla, guys. Calling this. My leader. Can you imagine? Yo, aze nganidabukela ma so-called EFF members. Aze nganidabukela. Hey, niloyiwe nina. Nina niloyiwe futhi owaniloyayo sewafa. Ngeke nisalungiseka. Calling this drunkard, criminal, drug cartel, this drug abuser, calling him your leader. Yo. This illiterate, you call him your leader. Ay bafana, ay ngeke, ay kulungile kanza kwethu, ay.